Want to get into 3D printing without burning a hole in your wallet? These top 5 printers under $200 prove you don't need big bucks to bring big ideas to life. Let's dive in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3. Kicking off the list is the legendary Ender 3, the printer that made 3D printing affordable and reliable. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, it's large enough for serious projects yet compact enough for desktops. Pros: fully open source with tons of mod support. Resume printing function in case of power loss. Amazing print quality at this price point. What users say: one of the most popular printers ever made. Thousands of creators say it's still the best bang for your buck. Number 2. Creality Ender 3. This updated Ender 3 version features a more stable power supply and refined mechanical design using V-slot rails. Same great size, but improved durability and consistency for precision prints. Pros: enhanced safety with UL-certified power supply. Precise, clean layering thanks to rigid build structure. Great for mold samples, DIY parts, or educational use. What users say: reviewers love the consistent performance and easy assembly. It's ideal for beginners looking to grow. Number 3. Mini 3D printer for kids and beginners. Looking for a plug-and-play experience? This mini 3D printer is pre-assembled, Wi-Fi enabled, and designed for kids and complete beginners. Pros: comes fully assembled, no setup headache. Auto-leveling feature simplifies printing. Works with Mac, Windows, and Linux. What users say: parents love it as a STEM gift for kids. Great for small creative projects and learning the basics of 3D printing. Number 4. Official Creality Ender 3 Pro. The Ender 3 Pro brings in a few key upgrades over the base model, like a removable magnetic bed, better power supply, and even more robust frame for consistent results. Pros: magnetic build surface makes part removal a breeze. Branded Meanwell power supply equals reliable performance. Excellent print size and quality for under $200. What users say: a favorite among hobbyists and tinkerers. Great for daily prints and reliable over long jobs. Number 5. MALYAN M320 Mini 3D Printer. If desk space is a concern, the MALYAN M320 is a compact and fully assembled option. With a 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters print area, it's great for small parts, toys, or prototypes. Pros: high accuracy printing in a small footprint. Works right out of the box, perfect for beginners. Minimal noise, making it ideal for homes or dorms. What users say: users praise it for ease of use, especially first-timers. Bonus points for being ultra-quiet and super compact. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So whether you're an absolute beginner, a hobbyist, or someone building your first prototype, these 3D printers under $200 deliver serious value. If this guide helped, give it a like, subscribe for more budget tech reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Keep printing, and I'll see you in the next one.